Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. It's finally time to remove these Reyna Rose nail strips. They've lasted for over a week, and as you can see, they look pretty good. My right hand, which is my dominant hand, looks pretty amazing. You can see there is some wear on the tips, and this is the one that I cut in half, so it didn't reach the tip of my nail, and that's why it looks like that. I did cover them with one layer of clear polish, and they've done really well. You can see the wear on my left hand too, right on the tips, and how much my nail has grown. I've just started noticing that at the edge here, there are some little parts that look a little bit lifted, but the good thing is that since I had the clear polish over it, it didn't get caught in my hair. The one where I have a gel overlay, you can see where it's a little strange on the edges, but that's because of the gel, so I need to remove that one completely. Overall, I am really impressed with how well they wore, and now we're going to take them off. I'm going to soak a piece of cotton in acetone and put it over each nail. Then I'll apply one of these clips to keep the cotton ball in place. I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes and then we'll check and see how it looks. It's been about 5 minutes, so now I'm going to remove the clip and check on the nail. As you can see, the acetone has dissolved the nail. There's still a little bit of sticky residue, but I can just use the cotton to remove it. Since there's a little bit of residue left on the nail, I'm going to use one of these little wipes and I'm going to use some more acetone and just gently rub it off. Now my nail is completely clean. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my nails. After removing all the nail strips, I'll apply my Barriel Conditioning Cuticle Oil. I'll let it soak into my skin and then I'll be ready for another manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!